Hey guys, I didn't feel like filming an intro, so let's get straight into the video. Here I am using my watercolor pencils to draw a castle. It is really loosely inspired by the Hogwarts castle, but I just added in my own shapes and colors and inspiration. So this is probably the last Create This Journey episode that I am going to film. Yes, I know. It's a shock, not really, because I haven't made one in a while, and I have no idea why, because I like the drawing and I like every part of doing the pages, but once it is something I need to do every day, I don't want to do it anymore. And I know it doesn't make sense, but that's just how I felt. So, by the way, here is the result of this page, and I really like how this castle turned out. So for this one, I'm just sticking blue things on a page because that was the prompt. I just got some paper. But like I was saying, I'm not sure, but I just wasn't inspired anymore to do anything. I've been drawing and I've been doing all sort of creative things, but for some reason I didn't want to do it in this journal anymore, so I didn't. Oh, by the way, I'm just writing a random poem. It really makes no sense, but I just felt poetic, so I'll read it in my most poetic voice. Blue eyes on his face, blue skies on our sunny days, blue water caught me when I fell, blue me drowning in this bottomless well. It's so depressing. I have no idea why I wrote that, but I think the box that it's on looks really cool. I actually made a video on how to make these kinds of boxes long ago, but I'll link it up above. It's actually my second video that I ever did, so that's pretty cool. And it did make my creator's journal very fat. Oh, this next one. The prompt was draw a self-portrait, but I didn't feel like doing that, so I just draw this like chibi character. I don't know, man, I just didn't feel like drawing a self-portrait. That's also with this, the prompts are meant to like inspire you, but for some reason they give you like a certain thing that you have to do, and I guess I usually have enough inspiration for things to draw. I just need to find the time. So yeah, I just think this didn't really work for me. I had fun doing it, but now that school has begun again, I'm just really busy and I don't like to have another thing that I have to do in my life. Oh, here I'm showing that the hair of this character isn't at all like my hair color, and the skin color isn't the same as well. And you might recognize the hair from this picture because those are the only two like alcohol markers in brown that I have, so I always use those. I really should buy more alcohol markers because I really like working with them, but I just don't have a lot of colors. So here I'm just giving some random clothes. I don't even own those clothes. I mean, I really didn't even stick to the prompt here, so what sense does it make to use prompts? I don't even really like how this turned out. I just included it in this video so to make it longer. I'm sorry. Oh, Winnie the Pooh. I like drawing this one. It was to draw a Disney character, so I obviously went with Winnie the Pooh, and it went pretty well until I started shading. And for some reason, I think I just used the wrong color of shading pencil, because for some reason he just ended up looking dirty. So I added a mud puddle and it was just like, he is playing in the mud, so that's why he's dirty. But I kind of like how this turned out. Oh, this one was really fun as well. I mean, I really enjoyed doing these things. That's not the problem. It was print a picture and then color it in with colored pencils. So I'm making a rainbow cat, of course. So yeah. Anyways, what I was trying to say, I probably won't be doing a Create This Journal episode anymore in the future. I'll be drawing and stuff, but I'll just be drawing random things, what I feel like that day, and not having to follow a certain prompt. So yeah. By the way, this video is a little late because I'm sick, and you can probably hear that by my voice, but I wanted to bring it out anyway. Oh, this is really bad quality because I wanted to time-lapse it. I ended up accidentally taking a slow motion video that ended up being a half hour and 74 minutes, so I had to speed that up and the quality is just shitty, but we have to work with what we've got. But I ended up liking how this cat looked. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you watched it till the end, which probably no one did, let me know, and bye!